Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful Sunday morning from the United Arab Emirates, and I am here to analyze with you guys BTC USD using just 3 time frames. Our first time frame is going to be 4-hour time frame. The second time frame is going to be the 1-hour time frame, and the third time frame is going to be the 15 minutes time frame. I am also going to explain what I'll be looking for on each of these time frame. The 4-hour time frame is where I am going to plot my major key levels. Just as you can see on my screen, these blue lines happens to be my major key level, and on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price is currently at this point here. Price is currently at this point. I'm sorry about that. At this point here, that is where price is currently. So the question I am going to ask myself now is, is price going to this key level area here, or price is going to break this key level area and come to this major key level? And aside from that, it is obvious to us that on the 4-hour time frame, price is in a bullish movement, just as you can see on my screen. So now, in order to answer the question of if price is going to this next level, or price is going to break this key level, retest and go down to this level, I need to go to the second time frame, which happens to be the 1-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, the first thing I am going to do is I am going to plot my minor key levels, and my minor key levels are this dotted line which you can see on my screen there. So that happens to be my minor key level. So after plotting my minor key level, the next thing I want to do that is going to answer the question of if price will go to the higher major level, or price is going to break this major level here and head down to the major level below, is first I need to look at where price is breaking structure to on this medium time frame. And as you can see on my screen, on the 1-hour time frame, this is our recent break of structure here. As you can see, this is our recent break of structure. So meaning that this is more or less like a continuation pattern that price may likely continue to go to the upside. So now we have answered the question of the 4-hour. So the next thing for us to do is we need to wait for a retest of that area that was broken rather. So now you can see that price already retest the area on the 4-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame. So price is currently sitting on the area of resistance that turned to support. So we can literally take our entry from this area here on the 1-hour time frame. We can literally take it from here, stop loss below here, and we are going to target this next high, or probably we may also target this next high here. You see? So if we take it from this point, we are still going to have a 1:3.2 risk to reward ratio. But in order to minimize our stop loss, that is why we will have to go to the 15 minutes time frame, which happens to be our last time frame. And as you can see on my screen, this is the area where the break of structure happens, and all this here happens to be the retest of the resistance turned to support here. So if I will be taking this trade, I saw a setup which I called the counter trend line setup. This is the counter trend line here. You see, this is the counter trend line. So, and after the counter trend line, I saw a market structure shift here. You can see I saw a market structure shift at this point here. So what I will just need to do is wait for a retest, which has already occurred from here. This is it. We have a break of the counter trend line, we have a retest, and we have this candle formation, a tweezer bottom. So with this candle formation, I'll just do what? I am going to place my buy setup or my buy entry at this point here. Stop loss can be below here, but in order to be on the safer side, I'm going to put my stop loss right here. And just like I have shown you guys on the 1 hour time frame, this is going to be our first TP where we are going to target. We are going to target this place. And if you do not want to target that place, the right place to target based on this entry setup is this point here. So that is our complete analysis on the BTC USD. So you can literally take your entry and your TP will be at this level, or better still, you can expand your TP up to this 1 hour high. And don't forget, we also have another high here. So more or less like we have TP1, TP2 and TP3. So that is our complete analysis on BTC USD.